In today's video, we'll be unboxing the Steelbird helmet. The model is SB-34 TRX with extra smoke visor. Color is matte access grey, size is medium, and MRP is 2,400 rupees. But online it was 2,040 rupees, and without visor it's around 1950. This is the extra smoke visor. We'll remove the smoke visor. And even peel the sticker off. This is how the helmet looks from the top, front and side. With the smoke visor it looks even better. Now coming to its features, we'll open the visor. It's got a seal both on the top and bottom, so it prevents air and water from coming in. And when you pull this lever down, these 4 air vents open, which lets air in. And since this is a flip-up helmet, to flip it up, you're supposed to push this down while pressing on this mechanism simultaneously. And the helmet becomes a flip-up helmet. The mechanism to open it is very sturdy. You can see it over here. Close it. There are 2 air vents over here too, and air comes out from here. Coming to the inside, it's got ratchet mechanism with quick release. And you can even hang the helmet using this ring. Now coming to its cons. I've been using the helmet for over a month now. First one is its weight. It weighs 1.4 kgs plus minus 50 grams. And especially when the helmet is flipped up, you really start to feel the weight and your neck starts to hurt. Next one is, it's really bulky. It's so bulky that it looks slightly odd when you're wearing it. When the helmet is flipped down, the chin part too is really wide, so it restricts your visibility, forcing you to move your head down to read the speedometer rather than just glancing at it. It even doesn't fit in scooter trunks even when it's flipped up. It also does not fit in most bags because of its height. Like this is a 32-liter bag. But since it has sections in between, there's not enough height for the helmet. But this, on the other hand, is a 25-liter bag, and since it has just one section, there's enough depth in it for it to just fit in. So you need to be selective of your bag too. Then too, it's bulky and uncomfortable to wear. Also, to change the visor, you need a minus symbol screwdriver to pry this open, and then you can access the screw. Unlike in other helmets where with a coin you can just directly unscrew it and change the visor on the go. And also this is gloss finish, so it's already started getting few scratches. Later it might get much more. This trim piece on the other side went missing, and on the inside the padding, it's not removable. So later with sweat smell, it might start to stink and will be tough to clean. And there is no chin padding. Conclusion: sure, it has its fair share of flaws, but considering it's for city use at around 2,000 rupees, it's pretty good. I'm confident it can protect you, and its flip-up mechanism too is really good. If this video is helpful, do like, share and subscribe. The link for the helmet is in the description.